Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, Maths of Prep Class. Dear students, today we will learn about shapes. Let's say together shapes. Look here. First of all, we learn about shape circle. A circle is round. A circle is round. Say with me, circle. A button is circle. A ball is circle. And the wheel is also circle. Very good, students. Next is triangle. A triangle has three sides. A triangle has three sides. Say with me, students, triangle. The road sign is triangle. The tent is triangle. And the smallest look is triangle. Very good, students. Very good. Last one is square. We will learn about square. Now look at the square shapes. A square has four equal sides. Square has four equal sides. Say with me, square. The clock is square. The clock is square. It has four equal sides. And the window is also square because it has a four equal sides. So students, let's repeat with me. Circle, round shape. Square, four equal sides. Triangle, three sides. Well done, students. Well done. You are shape champions. So students, अब हम मिलते हैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अपने नेक्स्ट लेक्चर के साथ. गुड बाय.